Hello everyone, welcome to Dollars on You. This is my first video in 2020, so I wish you happy new year, and also I hope you're gonna have a very successful business in this 2020. So today I'm gonna uh, present you another set of winning product ideas. It will be around 10. Most of the products are kind of different products, unique products. So just hold on and watch the whole video. So I hope it will be helpful for your dropshipping business. Uh, Before that, I would like to request you, if this video worth to you, is it worth to you, is it valuable for you, just give me a like. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and let's hit into the products. Let me open my first product which I selected for you. Right, this is a hologram projector, and the selling for $72. Is quite expensive product, and it so far 355 orders completed. Let us see how the product works. Okay, guys, that's how the product gonna work. It's just projector, and we have 96 reviews already. Let me show you the reviews here. This is the actual product, so quite big item. Yeah, most of the reviews are positive reviews, so it's a product you can try, and it's better to find do some research and find a better price. It's more than it's $72. I'm sure you may find it cheaper than this price in AliExpress. So it's my first product, and it's a hologram projector. And let me show you the second one. All right, this is a egg scissor. Right, most of the time in the kitchen, sometimes you need to open this eggshell. So this cutter can help you to help someone to open the eggshell without you crushing this egg. So it's very unique product, and see how it works, guys. So you just need to fix this cutter and rebound this plastic bead, and you can open the eggshell. So that's how it works, and it has 636 orders completed with 4.8 positive reviews. That's awesome. And reviews sound bad actually. This is the actual product, how it shipped. Egg Hammer Touch. It mentions Egg Hammer Touch actually on the package. Right, it's good product to try actually. Maybe you can target the housewives and all, because people who engage in the cooking and stuff. So it's a good product to try, guys. Next one, number 3, it's a cutlery cleaning brush. So it's, first of all, I saw it's like funny item, because it's no need to brush those cutleries, but you can how you, it's depending on how you watch, guys. See, it has 16 reviews, 32 orders so far. This product is quite new to AliExpress, so it is the time to jump in and test if it's work for you, for you or not, because it's again, you can target the housewives and women especially. So this is the product. Someone can clean this. And I checked the reviews as well. It has a positive review so far. Everybody happy about how it's worked, and said someone from USA said it's a very comfortable and shipping fast. So it indicates the product is good. So the product is new to AliExpress, and it's time for you to jump in and start test this product. Right. Let me go to my next product idea here. Right. It's a keyless padlock. Actually, this is a keyless padlock. What you can do is you can set up the fingerprint without key. Whenever you put the fingerprint, it gets open. So its product is good item, because people who try to lock the bags and stuff, it will work very well. So the price is 16.59 in AliExpress price. So maybe if you do some research, you might find the cheaper ones. And I can see from my right side this suggestions, it's price quoted as $12.25. That means you might find a better price for this product, so it's better to try. And it has a 29 reviews so far. I cannot open the reviews actually. There's no feedback. I'm not sure why it mentioned like this. Anyway, it has a 5-star, 91% 5 stars there. So it's a product that you can try as well. It's because the concept is new. Like I haven't seen these products like the padlocks comes with a fingerprint. And this one it's the keyless, and you can unlock by fingerprint. So guys, you can try this. You can test this product and see how it's going to work, because especially you can try this. According to me, if I want to try this, I might try this travelers, because travelers like to lock their stuffs and all. So no need to worry about the key. They can just lock their bags or other stuff. So it's practical for them. Right, let me hit into the next product. All right, this one is a digital battery tester. Okay, I'm not sure to whom to target this product. Actually, I have to do more research about this if I want to try this product, because this is the kind of product that I have never tried so far. So anyway, it has 3,537 orders, guys. So it's good product. It's selling well, and it's a unique product that everybody not going to sell this, because it's kind of unique. And let's see the customer reviews. It shows 1,087. Let me show you the product. Show product from the reviews. Right, this is the product, and it shows how much battery life remaining in these batteries. Yeah, it worked for them. Everybody, most of these reviews are positive reviews. They're happy about it, this product, and this product can test the battery life. I mean, battery capacity actually. So that is the product idea, and let me go to the next one. or okay. This is a problem solving product, guys. Whoever having a cat as a pet, they have this problem that cats always trying to sharpening their nails. They're trying to scratch most of the time the cushions, chairs, and everywhere. So now this product is trying to, it's like a tape, and you can fix it on the cushions, chairs, and everywhere where these cats are trying to scratch. Okay, it's just a 5 orders only from this product, but it's a product that you can test on the cat niche, and you can provide the sizes as well. So it's like the tape that, so then you can give the option whenever you are listing in the Shopify store. You can give the option to the different sizes, right? Let me go to the next product. Okay guys, this is a spice jars. This spice jars has a different designs, so it's like they name it as seasoning spice jars and all. So it has only 17 orders. What the user can do is they can put the spices in this. So it's it's made for the 4 seasons. That's why you might see this willow tree and all. So it's a product that get attractive most of the time. Here is that. You can put this salt, pepper, and stuff, and keep it on the dining table. It has a different attraction there. So that is my 8th product idea, and let me go to 9th one. Here is my 9th product, and this is a multitasking bottle opener or can opener, whatever it is, because it has 6 ways that it can use. It can use for wine bottles, cans, and here are the ways. This is the product, and here are the ways they can use it. Here the one. This is another way to use, and this is another way to use this product, and here is the can opener. So at the moment it has only 72 orders. I think this product is quite new, so it's better to try and get into if it is trending. So it's good to get into the trend now. Okay, this feedback saying the product is not good. Okay, the moment someone says it's good product, and there's another negative review as well. Anyway, there's no enough feedback to say that the product good or bad. Anyway, think about this product, and you can test this for housewives and people who work in the kitchen. Right, let me go to my last product. This is again multitasking item. This is a hairbrush with the mirror. So this product is very handy for handbags for women, so they can easily use this one. Instead of using 2 items, they can use this single piece. It has a brush, hairbrush, and the mirror as well. So it comes with different colors, guys, different colors, and so far it's 56 orders completed and 20 reviews only. Reviews, what the review says here. This is our actual image. Okay, quite good. Not much reviews, only 20. Anyway, it's a product you can try if you have stores related to beauty. Alright guys, that's my 10th product for today, and I hope it will help for you to get a product idea. And really appreciate if you can like this video, because I've spent time on this, and your like to the video helped me to grow my channel. Thank you very much guys. Have a wonderful day and see you with another video.